everyone, so easycraftart.com reached out to me and asked if I wanted to collaborate with them and review some of their products, so I said yes, and this is what I chose. I'm really excited. The box did come a little bit smashed, but it's this vacuum. It's a desktop vacuum, and I thought this would be so cool to go ahead and use for like my little space right here. So we are definitely going to check this out. So I need batteries. Okay, so we got a little vacuum here. I need to figure out what kind of batteries and how do I empty this out. Let's see. Batteries and dump trash bin. Oh, look, this is a little vacuum tube. Cool. Okay, so we push here and just pull that off. Okay, this is for our batteries. So let me grab some. Okay, so we have our batteries here. Let's go ahead and pop these in. And ooh, you hear it? Oh, you can see it. There's the button. So you see it right there? And then now you see that it stops. So let's see how this works. I guess I should have dropped some stuff down. You know, I have this right here. Let's see if it hooks that up. Oh, it worked! So I did have like a couple little like what is it, like confetti sequence pieces, and I saw it picked up those. Oh, this is gonna be nice, because I am very much a messy crafter, so I definitely needed this in my life. Okay, so there's that. So that's the little vacuum right here. So I got that, and then like I said, there's that little tube and brush thing right here, so I got to keep that together. Okay, that was fun. And then the other stuff I chose were diamond arts. So I chose this stitch right here. Let's open it up. I think he was all rhinestone. Yes, he is going to be all rhinestones, which is my favorite, my absolute favorite kind of diamond painting to do. And look at, he is a lot thicker than the other ones that I've done in the past. This is like easily double, if not triple the width of the other ones. He is super sturdy. I'm definitely not going to break him. So he is super thick. Love that. So there's stitch right here. And then let's see. Oh, these are my little Gnome homies that I chose. Let's see. These are rhinestones also. Love that. And here are my little Gnome homies. So, oh, these are a good thickness too. Wow. I'm really liking their products. That is thicker than the other ones that I normally do. So there's all these. So they have different stuff. So he has candy canes. He has like a wreath. Another wreath. These are double-sided. Those look like little Christmas trees. And we have like a Santa toy sack right here. So there's those. And in this one is a Christmas theme. I don't remember what it was. So this is how thick these are. And we have a gingerbread, double-sided gingerbread house, a stocking, a snowman, and a Christmas tree. Let's check these out. I think these are all rhinestone pieces as well. And they are. So that's amazing. Oh, look, this one's going to have gold in it. Love that. Oh, those are pretty. Super cool. So these are meant to be keychains. So it does come with the clips and the chain. So you can go ahead and do that. And then all of the kits came with the standard kit that you need. So you empty your little rhinestone bits into this tray. Then you're going to take your pin here and you're going to poke it into the wax right here. And that wax is going to help you pick up and place your rhinestones or your diamond art pieces. So all of their kits do come with the little tray and everything you need to go ahead and get started. So that is our little haul from easycraftart.com. I will leave the link down below to their website and to all these products. And once I'm all done with completing all these diamond arts, I'll definitely come back and share the completed project with you guys so you guys can check out and see what those look like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.